Y'all read the title. Tap in for tweak out. Making the scene, we shooting Berettas. He think that he fresh, not the G's of his sweater. I been getting bitches, so why would I sweater? She thinking she better, whatever. These bitches hating, they mad or whatever. We counting this bread, we get money together. Damn, Mo, so what is you saying? I'm the man, so why is you saying? Finna go get my homie. We finna go to the car wash. Now, what you don't know is, he finna be a part of this car wash. But set the camera up. Just say we shit, day in the life, I guess. I don't know. But he finna get in the car. We gonna go to the car wash, and I'ma just let the window down. I'ma let the window down, and we gonna get his reaction. See what he do. I know he gonna be mad as hell, but who care? I don't care. You can go with me though. You know. Nah, but I'm finna pull up to his house right now. I'm gonna see y'all when we at the car wash. He on the side of me cleaning his car out. I don't know how I'm finna finesse this shit and get him in the car. Cause what the fuck I'ma say?
Me and Photo finna pull up too deep. What you talking about? Alright. No, fuck.
You done?
Huh?
You done?
No, nigga, you ain't finna clean your shit out?
Hell no, I'm finna get a car wash. That's it.
Nigga, you could've been going through
Nigga, come on, folk, get in the vlog, folk.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, shit. Hey, we them niggas, fuck. Hold on.
Come on, bro.
Hold on.
See, finessed it. This nigga so slow. Finessed it. I'm trying so hard not to laugh, folks. I'm too goofy, bro. I'm trying so hard right now. But we finessed it. We finna go through this car wash. Child lock on the windows. It's hot as fuck, bro. It's hot as fuck. This bitch gonna fall. Bro, I'm still blue. They took 125, bro.
I told this man was right here.
The man was just talking. I ain't gonna lie, the whole time I'm thinking, you don't even know what I'm about to do right now. You don't even know you finna be a part of this car wash.
They would've took like 300.
300?
Yeah,
That's insane.
yeah.
To enter the car wash.
I have to
Please
take it
proceed
out
by
fast.
following the directions on the signs ahead.
Appreciate it. Yes. Get thorough, bro.
Got the full service. Bro, you ever thought like, what if the window go down?
I did that shit. Break my girl like
Chill, bro. Hey, bro.
hell no, bro. Hey, that shit feel different. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Hey, shit. Hey. Nah, that shit. Hey, bro.
This shit crazy.
Really just W2.
I just went to the water park, so I'm straight for life. My summer bucket list. Y'all like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. We got more videos coming, more pranks coming. And let me know if I should start a series with this. If y'all messed with it like that. I'll do my mama, grandma, sister. Nobody getting scared. You come to the car wash with me, you go be a part of the car wash. Tap in. Know that you my baby, what you mad for? No, I fuck with you, girl, what you plan for? Saw you on the gram, I had to get at you. I can't lie, girl, I think I'm really feeling you. You got my heart.
She my little rider bitch. I know my bitch won't rap for sure. She a loose screw. If it goes down, promise you, she gon'